If you're trying to get your rhythm back after a divorce, hey, breathe. You are not broken. You're in a rebuild, and rebuilds can be powerful. Here's the simple rhythm I used. 7 steps, small moves, big momentum. Step 1, feel it to free it. I set a 5-minute timer each day to let the grief, anger, relief move through me. No judging, just naming it. I feel sad, I feel furious, I feel lighter. When the timer ends, I stand up, shake it out, and move on. Emotions process, they don't define you. Step 2, anchor your mornings. 1 tiny non-negotiable, water, sunlight, and 1 page of thoughts. It told my brain, I'm steering now. Step 3, close the loops. I made a divorce admin power hour once a week. Bills, new passwords. Stacked it with a coffee I love and a playlist. Handling the logistics stops the mental drain and gives you your energy back. Step 4, reclaim your space. 1 drawer, 1 shelf, 1 corner at a time. If it hurts, box it. If it helps, keep it. Then add 1 symbol of the next chapter. A plant, a lamp, a photo of where you're going. Step 5, rebuild your body rhythm. 10 minutes of movement a day. Walk, stretch, dance in the kitchen. You're teaching your nervous system, we are safe, and we move forward. Step 6, relationship detox. I set a 30-day no-contact window unless kids or legal stuff required it. During that window, I unfollowed triggers, muted drama, filled the gaps with people who speak to my future, not my past. Step 7, draft your next identity. I wrote a 1-paragraph chapter summary that starts with, I'm the kind of person who... Example, I'm the kind of person who keeps promises to myself, travels light, and laughs daily. Read it every morning, then take 1 action that matches it. Listen, grief is love with nowhere to go. So give it somewhere to go into your health, your craft, your friendships, your future. If you slip, you're human. Start again in the next hour, not next Monday. Your rhythm isn't lost. It's under the noise. Strip the noise. Keep the 7 steps. Today, pick 1, anchor your morning, move for 10, or clear 1 drawer. DM me which one you're choosing, and I'll cheer you on. You're not starting over. You're starting wiser. Let's go.